The Crow and the Kind Deer. Short moral story. In a lush forest near a sparkling stream, a clever crow named Coco lived atop an old banyan tree. Nearby roamed Dara, a gentle and kind-hearted deer who always helped other animals in need. One summer, hunters entered the forest and set a trap near the stream. Dara, thirsty and unaware, walked right into it. The rope tightened around her leg, and she cried out in pain. High above, Coco heard her cries and flew down swiftly. "Don't worry, Dara. I'll help you," said the crow. He quickly flew to his friend, a woodcutter who respected forest life, and cawed loudly until the man followed him. When the woodcutter saw Dara caught in the trap, he rushed to free her. Dara limped away, bowing her head in gratitude. The woodcutter destroyed the trap and warned the villagers about the hunters. From that day on, Coco and Dara's friendship grew even stronger. They became symbols of kindness and courage in the forest. Moral: a kind heart and a clever mind together can overcome any danger. Thank you for watching.